Oy, counter steal foul. Jersey number 11. Substitution rep. First personal foul, first team foul. To shoot. Attempt. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Oy, steal by number... Oy! Oy! Foul. Jersey number 8. Number 8. First personal foul, second team foul.
Ay, 5 points si Tita Lynn.
Number 5. Steal by number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 6. Uy, butikit. Number 3. Save ball. Save ball po. Bola kang one piece. Number 5. Attempt. No good. Bola kang Maligaya. Score 13-4 in favor of Maligaya. Attempt. Uy, nice rebound. Block. Number 5. Number 5. Nice. Number 6. Not paid. Pass to number 5. Attempt. No good. Number 5. Attempt. No good. Ibang by number 3. Number 8. Nice pass. Layup. No good. Ibang by number 5. Number 5. Carrying the ball. Reserve sub. Reserve ka. Yan. Relax lang. Hindi pa matapos. Yan. 2 points. Number 5. Okay. Turnover. Substitution rep. Number 8 out.